Internet is one of the most favorite things of the today's world, and Facebook and WhatsApp is one of the most popular instant messaging platform with features such as multimedia content sharing, audio calls, video calls, and other services. Considering all them rely on the internet speed as well as data, it is a power hungry app. Like according to report by Android Authority, WhatsApp consumes around 740 kilobytes per minute over a voice call. Now that data consumption will increase with video calling. So hello guys, I'm Shekhar and you're watching TechInc. So in this video I am going to show you how can you save the WhatsApp data. So you just need to go on these three dots, go on settings, just need to go on storage and data, and you just need to toggle use less data for calls. So this will save your data more often when you are using voice calls and video calls on your device. So this was all for the today's video. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe the channel and like the above video. So for all that and more, I will see you in the next video.